Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I am Srinivas, AI trainer and mentor at Genai99, founder of Genai Lakes, and inventor of 4 groundbreaking AI products. Learning technology is important. Building real-world solutions is what creates opportunity. On day 7, you'll put your knowledge into action through live projects designed to simulate real industry requirements and business challenges. Apply everything you've learned in Python, automation, artificial intelligence, prompt engineering, and AI application development. Create practical, portfolio-worthy solutions that demonstrate your skills and problem-solving abilities. Learn how to deploy applications, present projects professionally, and showcase your work with confidence in real-world environments. Gain valuable career guidance, industry insights, and expert mentorship to help you prepare for opportunities in the rapidly evolving AI industry. This is where you stop learning technology and start building your future as a creator, innovator, and professional. By the end of day 7, you'll have real project experience, deployment expertise, and industry-recognized certification, and the confidence to launch your AI career with impact. Click the link below and start your AI journey today. Genai99. Empowering the future with AI.